going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little tool repair. So I have a Robinair 34788 AC evac recharge vacuum test machine. I bought it not working. It would power on, you would try to recover, and it wouldn't recover. At least on the high side it wouldn't recover. Did a little diagnosis test light over the solenoids, found the high side control solenoid was not working. So I ordered a solenoid off the internet, like 50 bucks, put it in. Everything works, except on recovery when it goes to oil drain, it throws the error that you saw at the beginning. Talked to a Robinair guy, and pretty much all the tests I did pretty much narrowed it down to the circuit board, which is like a $500, $400 part. And no way in hell I'm putting that kind of money in this thing. Not for as little as I'm going to use it. But thanks to Amazon and a little bit of research, I found a way to hopefully bypass it, so I'm going to show you what I did. Alright, so when you open the back of it and look at the bottom of the tank, which I'm not going to get too carried away because I already got the repair done, but this is your oil drain tank. There's a solenoid at the bottom. You'll have this screwed into it with your solenoid and an elbow going out to this black hose. So the solenoid's good, everything's good, but the actual circuit board back there is what's at fault. So here's how I fixed it. Alright, so courtesy of Amazon, I was able to find an 1/8 inch NPT into a ball valve with an 1/8 inch NPT female at the bottom. So I was able to screw the 90-degree out of the stock contraption that has the hose fitting on it, screwed into here with, I obviously used thread sealing tape. Put this all together, so now I can open it if you can hear it, and it acts as an oil drain. Now the only downfall is you're going to have to be there when it goes to switching to oil drain on the machine and actually switch this valve to drain it. But this was like 10 bucks, and we're going to test it and see if it works. I'm going to put like a 0.01 ounce charge into the little connection ports, which I'll show you where. Then we're going to evac it and see if this works and see if the error code comes back. Alright, so back up front, the lines are hooked on, they're screwed down, and there's actually a hose that runs in here that links them together. So now we'll go on the machine, we'll select charge, then we'll just do 0, 0, 0, 1 ounce on the high side. Select yes. We do not want to inject oil. I might do another video showing how to do the oil injection, but let me do that down in the description. If you guys want to see more on this machine, like how to use it, like how to inject oil, stuff like that, just drop it down in the comments. So we're not going to inject oil, so now it's going to charge. You can see there, boom, needles went up. If it'll even do if it even do a 1 ounce charge, I don't know if the line will support that, if it'll just fault out. So now it's just pumping a little bit at a time. Alright, charge is complete. I'm not worried about clearing hoses. Let it do that. And obviously it's not pulling anything out because the gauges are still up. Alright, it says disconnect both, so we'll go ahead and we'll just unscrew them. I'm not going to take them all the way off since there is a charge in there. Alright, start to continue, clear hoses. As you can see, it's clearing the hoses. Alright, 1 ounce complete. Press any key, hit no. I'm not filling the tank yet. Fill tank, no. Alright, now we're going to recover what's in there. So we're going to screw those back in. Actually, I think all it did was... Well, anyways, there's a charge in there. It's either in the hoses, but alright. So now recover. Low pressure, continue anyways. Yes. And we'll see you guys in 5 minutes. Alright, we're down to a minute left. While we're waiting, bam, sticker. Peel the back off of it. Let's put it right there. Officially made it mine. Alright, 40 seconds left. What we're going to have to do, as soon as it says draining oil, we're going to hop around back and turn that knob until the machine beeps, and we'll hop back around and see what is on the display here. Alright. Clearing, draining oil. Alright, let's hop around back. Actually, that's open. We can come back around front and see what it does, because that's just going to keep going until all the pressure's out of the tank, which I think is all that it measures. Don't know if it worked or not. And even if it still throws the error message, if there's something electronically that it senses resistance of the solenoid or something internally, it still sets the error code. The machine is still fully functional and you can drain the oil. You're just going to have the error message. So we'll see what it says. Well, it still sets the error message, but it emptied the oil tank. And from what I was told from Robinair, as long as that oil tank empties, the machine is going to work like it should. You just have the manual valve. Still, I'd rather see this and have to manually open the valve than to spend the $400 and some to get a board just to make a little solenoid click and be lazy about it. So I guess I'll deal with this and use my $10 fix to drain the oil and have a $1,500 AC machine that I got for well under $1,000, and I've only put $50 for the solenoid, $10 for the valve for the oil drains. I got $60 in it, plus what I paid, which I'm not going to disclose, but it was well under $1,000. So yeah, I mean, a full functioning AC machine does everything. I just had to manually control the oil drain. Not quite the results I was wanting. I was kind of wanting it to act completely normal, except for me having to open the valve. But unfortunately, you don't always get what you want. But I'll take it. It's still a win. The system still works other than the error message. So, may not be 100% fixed in the way of the circuit board, but it works. So, if you found this useful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And we will see you next time.